It's raining again in summer.
Man, I hate rain.
I didn't move to Southern California for the rain. I moved here for the sunshine and to not pay taxes.
You still have to pay taxes here.
I don't think you're right about that.
Rain. How I love the rain.
Oh, God. Rekha's one of those I love the rain people.
Oh, rain is so light and effervescent, yet so deep and complex. Oh, I love the rain.
No, Rekha, it's just wet and causes car accidents.
Yeah, people who love the rain either never have to interact with it, or they want to dabble in depression like one of those white people ordering up the dim sum cart for the first time.
Oh, if only you could see what I see in the soft pitter-patter of God's seed.
Ugh.
Forgive me, for I see the beauty in chaos.
No, you don't. You just want to seem deeper than everybody else.
Thank you. I am deeper than everyone else.
No.
No, thank you. You're right to point that out.
Okay.
For anyone can like the sun, even you, Grant. But it takes a true, deep, profound genius to love the rain.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, j'adore la pluie.
You just haven't seen really bad rain yet. When it rains a lot in LA, you can't even go outside. You can't do like half the things you want to do.
How I would welcome such a treat. Oh, the tempting excuse to stay indoors, cuddled up with kindling on a fire. Oh, there's nothing like the cold and wet to titillate you towards the warm and fuzzy.
Yuck. You've clearly never dealt with a major power outage during a storm.
How I pine for the elements to have their way with me, forcing me into the darkest, coziest corners of my home, making me reflect upon my dependence on electronic goods.
Disgusting. Obviously, you've never had your basement flooded and all your crap ruined.
The tormented tap dewy dance of the heavens upon my home, stripping away mon possessions. Oh, an inconvenience at first, to be sure, but what lessons the rain would teach me. Oh, thank you, rain.
Everyone loves the rain when they're inside.
Oh, yeah. If you love the rain so much, how about you go outside and be in it?
Yeah, why don't you go outside and marry it?
To appreciate Shakespeare, must I be in the Shakespeare play? To appreciate the pirouette, must I dance the Swan Lake? To appreciate the Dada art thing, must I Dada?
God, you're annoying.
So annoying.
Dada.
Someone order a pizza?
Oh, my pizza! Yay! Yum, 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 yum!
Do you mind adding a tip? It's really hell out there.
Yay! My comfort food in the cozy, cozy rain. Yum, yum, yum! Cozy, cozy, cozy!
So, I have to pay taxes?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hi, it's Rekha. If you like college humor and want to support us, sign up for Dropout. For the monthly cost of 250 candy bars in the year 1920, you can get videos like this a whole week sooner. You can chat with us live on the Dropout Discord and get exclusive content like the Vodcast Erotic Book Club.
There is a lot of blanket play.
It's a lot of blankets, a lot of, oh, I got you a gift. Oh, let me tuck you into bed. And I'm like, oh, God, yeah.
So sign up for your free trial today. And it was so great meeting you. If you want to share some of those candy bars over wine sometime, I am available, You get 125, I can get 125. I don't know, it's just an idea.